In this example video, we're going to look at review exercise 4-8, and we're going to put together the long-term liability section of our balance sheet. So they tell us that the Wizard Company reports the following on its year-end trial balance. They have long-term bonds payable. They have an unamortized bond discount. We have accrued pension cost, a mortgage payable, and the fund to retire long-term bonds payable. And again, they want us to prepare the long-term liability section of the Wizard's year-end balance sheet. So when we're looking at this, some things to calculate in terms of what won't be included in here. So the fund to retire long-term bonds payable is actually included in the investment section and is not included as a long-term liability on the balance sheet. So that one would be in a different area of our balance sheet, specifically again in the investment section. So we're going to start with our long-term bonds payable. They said our long-term bonds payable has a face value of $4,500, but there's an unamortized discount, and we know that we can issue or sell a bond at par, meaning face value, at a premium, meaning above face value, or at a discount, meaning less than face value. So anything that we have not amortized yet, meaning bringing down in value, it is still there and therefore affecting what the carrying value is of that bond. So what we're actually carrying for it on our books for. So we reduce that long-term bonds payable value by any unamortized bond discount. Again, if this was a premium, we'd be adding it to that value. So we net them together to figure out what the carrying value of that bond is on our books at that time. We also have a mortgage payable. And our mortgage payable, they said, is at $5,000. And we have our accrued pension cost. And our accrued pension cost is that $9,000. So we total up those to get our total long-term liabilities. And again, it goes into our total column here. And we have a total of $17,900 that we have longer than a year to pay back. That is what we classify our long-term liabilities for.